So hey sister, welcome to Bhagalpuri textile. So today we have this soft silk sari which is in turquoise grey, and the search code of this sari is 101. Okay, so wait, I'm just opening this sari and showing you the full view. Okay, so you can see the sari here, and this is the palla area. Okay, this is the palla which is in turquoise color, and here's the blouse piece which is also in turquoise color. Okay, so wait, I'm just opening this sari and showing you the full view of this turquoise gray sari. Okay, wait. So you can see here, this is the open video of this turquoise gray color, and the search code of this sari is 1001. Okay, and you can see this is the palla here which is in turquoise color, and you can see there is this sequence work in stripes, and you can see in this sari you will get this we call gidha. Okay, so in this sari you will get this gidha, you can see, and you can see the texture of the fabric. It's very lightweight and good quality of fabric. Okay, and here is the contrast blouse piece which is in turquoise color also, and here's the body area. Okay, this is in gray color, and you can see here in body you will get these golden stripes pattern in whole the sari. Okay, and the length of the sari is 6.5 meter including blouse piece, and and this sari has 1 meter contrast blouse piece attached in the sari. So if you want to buy this sari, you can search code 1001, and from there you can buy in our website. Okay, and this is for today's video. If you like, then please subscribe and follow our page. So thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care, have a good day.